The girl had her first child, a beautiful baby girl. But the shadow, she gave birth to a little monster. Hombre was born laughing. The girl had a second child, a boy this time. They had to cut her open and take him from her belly. The shadow had to do it all herself. She named him Pluto. He was born to love fire. So you see, the shadow hated the girl so much for so long, until one day the shadow realized she was being tested by God.